Workplace Safety, Module 6, Knife Safety. Before beginning work with a knife, make sure the area around you is free from obstacles and other workers. Although it seems counterintuitive, a sharp knife is a safe knife. Make sure the knife that you are working with is as sharp as possible. When sharpening a pencil, remember to close the knife before placing the pencil back behind your ear. Never reach for a falling knife. Instead, always throw the knife carefully into the waiting hand. Avoid spinning the knife on your middle finger. This gesture could be misinterpreted by coworkers, customers, or management, and is generally inappropriate for the workplace. Always work safely from ladders. Remember, a properly gripped knife can provide extra support when reaching from a wooden ladder. Safety first. Stay sharp. Without the threat of danger, work can become mundane and boring. This is the breeding ground for accidents. Remember, the key to safety is in your hands.